I'm only taking a picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will now attempt sliding on that slide with this. And I'm going. Ow!
Keep going. You're a photo genius. Mom's on the porch. Mom's on the porch getting firewood, and Katie's trying to go up the slide instead of just being sensible and going up the brick things.
I'm scared.
Just go, you'll be fine. Are you okay?
No.
You're not?
You have to ask.
Yes.
Why are you trying? You're taking video, aren't you?
No.
Fine, we'll do something.
Do something really stupid. Oh no, I'm gonna pee in my pants.
Don't turn the yellow stuff.
I won't.
I'm going this way. Easier this way.
No, really? Okay, I'm up now.
No, I want to slide.
Ow, I got in my pants. And up my shirt, it's cold. Katie Snow's cold. YouTube snow is very cold. Anytime you feel like it, just go on down. Oh, do a Superman dive. Oh, yes. That would be awesome. Do it. Do it.
There's like clean snow there just in case.
Yeah, do it.
So make sure there's clean snow.
There is. Now go.
No, it's not.
Just go.
Stinky foot.
Just go. The camera's shaking. Because I'm cold.
No.
Go.
Wait.
You do it or I'm coming up there and pushing you down.
No.
Yeah. So you better get moving.
Ah.
Hurry, Katie. Hurry. It's getting too long.
I know, but it's burning my hand.
Just go. Go, 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 go. Oh, that was terrible. Bye, YouTube. Say bye.
Bye, YouTube.